Hello, in front of me I've got HP earbuds. In this video I'll show you how to perform factory reset of your earbuds. In the beginning, place them back in the charging case. And now open the lid. Or keep the lid opened. Now press and hold this multifunctional button for about 15 seconds. And it's done. Factory reset has been complete. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.